Today we're behind the wheel of the Jeep Compass and we're going to show you how to connect to wireless Apple CarPlay in your vehicle. Now there's a few different ways to do it. It may pop up on the home screen, but if it doesn't, you can select the little phone icon, and then in the bottom right corner you're going to select Device Manager. Now that will take you to a few different phones. You may have some stuff already paired in there, but basically what you're going to do is click Add Device here in the bottom left corner. Now you are going to have to select Search, and that will start looking for Bluetooth devices. So now we're going to go back to our phone. With our phone unlocked, you're going to go to the little settings wheel down here. And then the third thing down is actually going to be the Bluetooth. So go ahead and select the Bluetooth, and then you're going to go to the bottom and you may see UConnect pop up. So you're looking for some UConnect. It may have a few numbers after it, but basically once you select that, you're going to notice the numbers on there match the numbers on your phone. So go ahead and select Pair, and it will also ask if you want to allow your contacts and favorites to be synced. So once that starts going, now we'll go through a pairing request, and then we're going to go back to our infotainment display here, and then one more time selecting yes that the numbers did match. Now it will go through a little bit of a loading process, but basically on your phone, once that works, it will say connect to CarPlay. So we're going to go ahead and select connect on there, and then Bluetooth is pairing successful. So you can set it to your favorite if you want. So if it is your favorite device, that's pretty unique. And then you can also enable to connect to CarPlay. So we'll go ahead and select OK, and then it will pop up with wireless Apple CarPlay. So that's going to give you text messaging, Google Maps, Spotify. There's even a last menu over here if you've updated to the new iOS, which is pretty cool. So it's a great way to be nice and safe and have all your stuff working when you're out on the go.